New tools from Milwaukee, Makita, ToughBuilt, and Ridgid are shaking up the industry. With rapid advancements and exciting new features, these new tools are pushing the limits to deliver innovative solutions for every type of job. So let's see what new tools we have this year. Milwaukee Wireless Laser Alignment Base is an essential tool for commercial layout work, designed to boost efficiency and accuracy. It simplifies tasks that used to require two people into a smooth, one-person operation, saving both time and effort on the job site. Featuring a remote control that operates from up to 125 feet away, it offers exceptional convenience and flexibility. Its laser alignment delivers outstanding precision, with step accuracy down to 3/32 of an inch at 100 feet, allowing for quick and accurate alignment across long distances. The base effortlessly pivots on the plumb point for fast adjustments, while adjustable legs ensure stability on uneven surfaces, making it perfect for ground-level projects. This innovative tool is a game-changer for anyone serious about improving their alignment accuracy. Maintaining an organized job site is important, but ensuring it stays clean and safe takes it to a whole new level. Enter the M18 Fuel 9-gallon dual battery dust extractor, ranked number 15. Designed for a smart and connected workspace, it features VacLink technology, a wireless system enabling you to start the vacuum either from your tool or remotely. What sets it apart is its versatile power options. It can run on two M18 batteries delivering 125 CFM of airflow, or connect to an AC outlet to boost performance to 175 CFM. When powered by two HD12 batteries, it provides up to 78 minutes of continuous use. This dust extractor meets OSHA's Table 1 standards with dual HEPA filters and an automatic filter cleaning system that maintains steady airflow. Additionally, it is fully compatible with the packout system for convenient transport and includes one-key technology for easy tracking. The tight-reach flexible extension clamp is specially designed to tackle challenging, hard-to-access spots where standard tools fall short. It features two key parts, a flexible extension arm and a sturdy clamp. The extension arm is highly versatile, capable of bending and stretching to navigate tight areas. This makes it perfect for reaching behind bulky furniture, beneath kitchen appliances, or deep inside cabinets where your hands and larger tools simply can't reach. The clamp itself is durable and built to hold objects securely. Once fastened to your workpiece, the flexible arm allows for precise positioning, twisting, and turning to match the exact angle you need. Whether you're repairing, installing components, or working on a vehicle, this tool empowers you to handle detailed tasks in confined spaces with accuracy. Introducing the Hilti TE 50-22 cordless rotary hammer, the perfect tool for working with formwork and base plates. Its elongated body design makes it the most comfortable option for drilling downward. Delivering exceptional power, it provides Hilti's top performance-to-weight ratio in its class, capable of handling demanding concrete drilling tasks up to 16 millimeters in diameter. This versatile tool features a chipping mode and interchangeable chucks, supporting SDS chisels, hole saws, right-angle chucks, as well as wood and steel drill bits. Equipped with safety essentials such as active torque control and compatibility with multiple dust extraction systems, it guarantees a safe and efficient drilling operation. Powered by the Neuron battery platform, this cordless SDS Plus rotary hammer offers uncompromised drilling power with longer-lasting battery life and high-performance drill bits. Next up is a storage solution crafted to boost efficiency on any job site. The Makita MAKTRAK low-profile organizer simplifies tool and equipment organization with ample space, offering 479 cubic inches of capacity, up to 50% more than top competitors, accommodating both small and large items. Its sleek, low-profile build keeps contents secure, while a clear lid provides quick visibility without needing to open it. Constructed from impact-resistant copolymer, this organizer is built to withstand harsh job site conditions. Large, glove-friendly latches ensure easy and fast access when time is tight. Proudly designed in the USA, the MAKTRAK system excels in combining transportation, access, storage, and organization into one streamlined, practical package. When it comes to welding machines, the Ranger 330 MPX stands out by combining multiple welding methods, MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core, into a single compact unit. Its versatility is enhanced by the capability to operate on both AC and DC power. This machine supports a broad array of welding tasks, connecting either to a gasoline engine or to the electric grid to deliver the necessary power for your projects. Seamlessly switch between welding modes to adjust how the wire or electrode feeds and how the arc behaves. The user-friendly control panel allows you to fine-tune settings like voltage, current, and welding speed to match your specific project requirements. Overall, the Ranger 330 MPX is a highly flexible and portable welding solution. Meet the Klein Lightweight Tape Measure, an essential tool designed for efficiency and ease during demanding tasks. Its compact, best-in-class design offers a reach of up to 13 feet, making it easy to carry throughout the day and store in tight spaces. The steel blade is protected by a durable nylon coating, ensuring it withstands tough conditions for long-lasting use. Featuring a tape measure finger brake, you can control the blade's retraction speed while the double-sided imperial scale markings meet diverse measuring requirements. The 5-point reinforced housing provides enhanced impact protection, and the clear, uncluttered markings spaced every 1/8 of an inch make measuring straightforward. Upgrade your toolkit with this Klein tape measure, crafted to boost your productivity and ease on the job. Imagine having a microwave conveniently available right on your job site. The Makita XGT Microwave is perfect for those constantly on the move, whether working or enjoying outdoor activities. It offers 2 power levels, 350 and 500 watts, to quickly heat your meals, providing fast breaks wherever you are. Its compact 1.5 cubic foot size and built-in handle make it highly portable. Built for durability, it features a water-resistant design, dust-resistant inlet, and a tempered glass door. Powered by Makita's 40-volt XGT batteries, it includes a smart dual battery bay system that automatically switches to the second battery once the first is depleted, ensuring extended usage. This microwave is ideal for anyone needing quick, hassle-free food heating on the go. The AUX EPO portable car jumper is a game-changer for dealing with dead car batteries. This professional-grade device offers dependable jumpstart power in a compact, portable design, eliminating the need to rely on another vehicle. Equipped with multiple USB ports, it doubles as a mobile power station for charging your devices on the go. Operating it is simple. Connect the cables, activate the power, and your vehicle will start in no time. The best part is the independence it provides. You won't have to wait for assistance, saving you valuable time. It's also perfect for keeping your phone charged during long journeys. Once you own this device, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Presenting the Ego Power Plus 28-inch self-propelled 2-stage snowblower engineered for maximum efficiency. It features a 2-in-1 electronic chute adjustment joystick that allows smooth control over 200 degrees of chute rotation and deflection. This powerful machine can throw snow up to 60 feet and clear a 32-car driveway covered in 8 inches of snow on just one charge when paired with 2 recommended 12-amp-hour ARC lithium batteries. The trigger-controlled steering enhances maneuverability, while heated handle grips keep your hands comfortable in freezing weather. With a 28-inch clearing width, 21-inch intake height, and large 16x5-inch snow tires offering excellent traction, this snowblower is ready to handle the toughest winter conditions efficiently and effortlessly. If you want a tool that speeds up screwing and unscrewing tasks, the Ball Grip Rechargeable Screwdriver is the perfect choice. Its compact cordless design means no tangled cords or searching for power outlets. The ball grip fits comfortably in your hand, reducing strain and offering precise control, especially in tight spaces. Battery life won't hold you back. You simply recharge it when needed and it's ready to use again. It operates like any standard power screwdriver. The motor spins the bit when you squeeze the trigger, and you can adjust speed and direction via the switch or trigger. When the battery runs low, just plug it in to recharge quickly and get back to work. Looking for premium sound on the job site or in your garage? The Makita GRM05 job site speaker delivers just that, keeping your music playing loud and clear. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, it offers a wireless range of up to 100 feet, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes throughout the work area. Featuring a powerful 5.5-inch woofer and 1.5-inch tweeter, it provides high-quality audio performance. The LCD control panel lets you easily adjust volume, view track info, and control the built-in light. You can wirelessly connect up to 10 speakers or pair 2 for true stereo sound. Designed for durability, it includes protective bumpers and boasts up to 36 hours of battery life, ideal for long work days or casual hangouts. Ever struggled to clean those hard-to-reach areas in your car? That's where the Tornador Mini comes in handy. This smart tool uses a combination of air pressure and cleaning solution to do the tough work for you. As soon as you start using it, you'll see how it effortlessly reaches all those tricky spots that standard cleaning tools miss. When you pull the trigger, it releases a precisely controlled mixture that targets surfaces with the ideal pressure. Just squeeze the trigger and watch it blast away dirt from vents, between seats, and around those stubborn buttons. It's like holding a professional detailer's secret weapon right in your hands. Finally, the L4 portable air pump offers professional-level inflation performance in a sleek, easy-to-use package. This compact pump combines a long-lasting rechargeable battery with compatibility for car outlet power, so you never run out of juice. The digital gauge provides real-time pressure readings in PSI, and the auto-stop function kicks in as soon as your desired pressure is reached. Whether you're topping off tires on your morning drive or inflating air mattresses at camp, its versatile nozzle attachments fit everything from Schrader valves to needle adapters. Designed for convenience, it features an ergonomic build with a built-in LED light for use in low-light conditions. The pump's weight strikes the perfect balance, substantial enough for durability, yet portable enough for easy transport. That wraps up the latest tool releases from Milwaukee, Makita. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this delivered to your feed.